Meet the Rador, automated and intelligent surface finishing for all 3D print technologies, both plastics and metals. Designed solely for additive manufacturing, the Rador enables hands-free surface finishing with consistency and repeatability, even for unique and delicate geometries. The Rador's exclusive integration of software, hardware, and chemistry allows you to achieve your desired RA with virtually no part breakage. The Rador software offers press-and-play surface finishing with quick select dosing frequencies to align part processing to various media options, geometries, and materials. The Rador's user-friendly interface allows for flexibility with cycle times and disposal options. And process monitoring with alarms and proactive warnings ensure your post-printing operation runs smoothly. The Rador's patent-pending suspended rotational force technology creates a circulating motion while the part is immersed in a mixture of media and fluid. This technology applies even mechanical force with uniform contact and friction, maintaining the part's dimensional consistency while keeping the fine feature detail intact. Designed for use with our patent-pending detergents that are optimized for additive materials, the Rador software controls variable dosing to keep 3D printed parts suspended during finishing. Media, available in different materials and densities, work with our software and hardware to accurately deliver the correct amount of energy to produce the desired surface finish. And waste disposal is made easy with an automatic drain option that eliminates the need to transport waste to disposal. Accelerate your additive operations with the Rador, automating post-print surface finishing with transformative results. Spend more time printing and less time post-printing with PostProcess.